Okay, welcome to today's episode. Got a bit of a ride plan this weekend, so I thought I'd just check final drive oils. I have cracked this loose, so I'll take this out, the Allen key, and then it's a number 19 spanner on the bottom end. Very nice and clean. So I will get the 19, pull that out, and then go from there. But it does smell very sulfury, so it's probably due a change. Okay, so I just checked this bottom one and it was very loose, like slightly above finger tight. So good thing I checked this before the trip that I got planned, because otherwise that could have quite easily come undone. And we'll see what the oil looks like in here. It's a bit murky, but it's not crazy. Probably still from new. There's a bit of filings and, well, it's more gunk than filings, but yeah, overall not too bad with that. So you're aware there is a little magnet inside there that is there to catch any filings and stuff like that. Doesn't look too bad on this, so it's mostly like a brown or black coppery stuff, so yeah, kind of happy with it. Okay, so I've put the drain plug back in. That is torqued at 23 Newton meters, and now I'm going to drop the oil in. It's got to go up to the first thread level, and I'm using a EP80W90 GL5, which should be alright. It's used about 200 mils of that. Okay, so that's the final drive oil in to the base of those threads. I'll try and see if I can show you that. You can see in there, it's just to the base. So once you got that on, it's the same torque setting for the filler plug, 23 Newton meters, and then that's it, final drive oil change. Okay, so that's the filler plug back in, torqued to 23. The drain plug was torqued to 23. New oil in the final drive. She should be good to go. So next I'm going to do the gearbox, filler, drain plug, and then get that done, and then possibly have a go at doing an oil change as well. So we'll see how we get on.